This 2017 Chevrolet Colorado is brought to you by Champions Auto Group, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, Duramax V6 engine, and has 90,746 miles. Explore adventure in this 2017 Chevrolet Colorado, reliable, rugged, and ready for anything. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.